Hi, how are you? I'm Edward Pland, one of the co-founders of the Business League, and super excited about you grabbing a ticket for our next breakfast on Wednesday the 6th of June. It's going to be a cracking event, and Dave Tabane is an absolute amazing guy, doing great things on a global scale, and he is probably one of the most motivating, inspiring and energetic speakers you'll see for a long time. So really happy about you joining us on Wednesday the 6th of June. But what I've got now for you is a little bit extra that we've been able to create. What a lot of people don't know is that Dave Tabane is flown around the world to help people get better Facebook traction. So he's a bit of a Facebook guru, and his difference though is it's not paid advertising, it's all free. So he teaches people how to get organic, free traffic through Facebook and convert it into customers for their business. So because he's a good mate, I've asked him to spend 2 hours with people that have turned up to the breakfast straight after it. So he's running a 2-hour workshop that's going to walk through the 3 steps on how to get organic traffic and convert it into customers for your business. Now the ticket price is $150 for non-members, and we've got about 30 seats available. But to be honest, 20 seats of those have already gone to our members. So there's about 10 seats left. Because you've booked in for the breakfast, what I'm happy to do is offer it to you for $100. And if you want that ticket, just buy it down below and we'll give you the details. It'll run straight after the breakfast from about 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. on Wednesday the 6th of June. So if you want that offer, book it in now. Otherwise, you'll probably miss out on a ticket. It's going to be an amazing morning at the event and then straight into the workshop, which will be really hands-on and huge value for you and your business. Let us know if you've got any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you on Wednesday, the 6th of June. See ya.